Went to get my snowblower out this morning, move some snow, and the auger wouldn't work. None of this stuff would move. I brought it in here to let it thaw out. There's a big chunk of ice stuck in there, but it still won't move. I'm hoping it's a belt issue and not my two-stage gearbox here. So I'm going to go ahead and take it apart and see if I can find out what's wrong. Okay, here's the cover for the belt. I'm going to go ahead and remove this assembly. There's a bolt right here and a bolt right on the other side. I'll go ahead and grab a wrench. This is actually a 3/8. Here's the other one. Be a little hard to get in there. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. It seems to be in the way. Yep. 3/8 again. I'll put this up on blocks so I can get to it a little easier. There's 2 here and 2 underneath here. I gotta take off. Yeah, there's the rest of the belt. Shredded it pretty good. Didn't have to take it all the way apart. So I'm going to keep this down with my clamp. Got plenty of clamps laying around. And I'm also going to clamp down the drive. I'll show you what that does here in a second. Just remember, if you have this engaged and you loosen this one up, it's not going to loosen up. It's designed that way. So in order to get this back up, you have to disengage that. So what locking down the drive does is move that pulley out of the way so you can get another belt down there. Clamp that down. So I release the auger handle so I can get the belt in here. Okay. Push this down below to where I can get to it. Okay, now I gotta engage my auger again. Gets me around that break right here. There we go. Popped on there. Reinstall this belt guide. Let's see if that works. The way you adjust the belt is with this bracket. Just going to tighten it up just slightly. Okay, that feels good. Remember how this went on. Mine's kind of dented up. I don't know what I hit. There we go. Okay, got a ton of snow to move. Wish me luck.